And so it's not just the betrayal that you're trying to get over, right? It's not just the fact that you found out they were lying, cheating, entertaining somebody else, entertaining an ex or somebody, you know, on the side or whatever. It's not just that you're trying to move past. You're trying to move past the other layers, right? The fact that they did what they did, but yet on top of that, they never even in a lot of cases never acknowledged what they did, never came back to try to fix any of the things that they destroyed. And on top of that, to this day, they've left you to basically pick up the pieces, right? I'm going to give you an analogy. It's almost like somebody coming into your home, not just somebody, but someone that you know, somebody that's close to you, coming into your home and destroying your home. And then never even acknowledging that they destroyed your home, never providing you any type of resources to repair the destruction. And on top of that, not even acknowledging what they did. So imagine, this person destroying your house and then you see them, they never address it. They'll just say something like, "Hey, how are you doing?" Or "How the kids been doing?" Or "Would you like to go out to lunch?" Or and you like, "Do you know, like, a few weeks ago you destroyed my house?" And they never address it. They never, it's the same thing. So it's not just what they did, it's the fact that you're having to carry the load of what they did and them not even acknowledging what they did, and not just not acknowledging, but not even offering any type of repair or uh leaving you in the shambles, in the rubbish, to try to figure all this out, right? And so many of you feel as if you're drowning. It's like you're in an ocean waiting for that helicopter to come and save you. Because it's like, okay, I can only hold myself above this water but for so long. But the helicopter never arrives, it never comes. See, that is the weight that a lot of people don't talk about. It's not just what they did, it's the after effects. These people leave you in the shadows to literally piece your life back together. And what I need you to understand, okay? I need y'all to to um to lean in here. I need you to understand the fact that they did what they did in all of these different layers, and they refused to do what was right. It is not a reflection on you, because so many of us, I'm talking to myself also, we have beat ourselves into the freaking ground because we're like, well, what is it? Why wasn't I good enough? Why wasn't I beautiful enough? Why wasn't I this? Why wasn't I that? For them to come and do what was right as it pertains to me, as it pertains to my heart, as it pertains to the relationship, as it pertains to the commitment. Why couldn't they do that? Why couldn't they do what was right? And this is what I need you all to understand. And this also falls into the layer of not acknowledging, right? Because let me tell you something. If these people were to come to you and say, I destroyed this house, and you know what? I don't have the money to repair this, but I'm going to take out a loan and I'm going to repair it. Do you know what that would mean? That would mean that everything that you have said about this narcissist all of this time is right. That you have been right about them the whole time, that they are a liar, that they are a cheater, that they're not loyal, that they don't have any integrity. And to a narcissist, that sends them underneath the ground. They can't handle having that mirror up to them for them to see who they really are. Now, they know, y'all, in the knowings of all knowings, these people know who they are. But the game is they don't need you to see who they are. And once you see who they really are, that they really not who they say they are, that sends them into a deep, deep, dark place. So for you all that are sitting back and you are beating yourselves up, I need you to stop. Because you have to understand that these people don't have it in them to do what's right. Not for you, not for the people that came before you, and not for the people after you. They only have it in them to sell you a dream that's never going to come to pass. That's it. And that helicopter that you're waiting to come down and save you is never going to come. So you have to do the work to release and move forward. And I know it's a process. It's a process. If you need one-on-one coaching, if you're coming out of a relationship or if you're still in it and you're trying to figure out how you get over this mess and move forward with your life and move forward with healing, I'm offering one-on-one sessions. I am running a special right now for 1 hour for $50. I don't know how long that's going to go, but I know we're in hard times, and I know a lot of people just need someone to talk to. So if you need to vent, if you need coaching, if you need assistance in helping you get past this breakup or this toxic relationship, I can help you. The link is in my bio for booking. I love you guys.